Hey wig lovers, welcome back to the EnvyWigs YouTube channel. My name is Amber and this is Wig Reviews with Amber. I'm really excited because today we're gonna have a virtual vacation and talk about all things traveling with Wigs 101. If you've ever asked yourself, how do I pack a wig for travel? Is TSA gonna make things awkward? What wig should I wear in a tropical climate? Have no worries, we're gonna talk about that today. All the tips, tricks, and Envy favorites to make your next vacation worry-free. So go grab your passport and let's pack. Let's start with the basics. How to pack your wig so it looks gorgeous from takeoff to touchdown. What to pack your wig in. One option is a wig-safe travel case. These keep your wig from getting smushed in your suitcase. Definitely worth the investment. No case, use a silk or satin bag. This is a great alternative, especially for synthetics that hold their shape well. Now, if you don't want to spend any money and you need more space, you can even use a Ziploc bag. I encourage you to keep the tissue paper, the netting, and the insides of the box that your wig came in because you can utilize that in your packing bag, whether that be a Ziploc bag, a carrying case, or a silk bag. Using the insides of your box, such as the tissue paper, is going to help preserve the shape of your style. Next up, think about what you need to bring to preserve your style and keep it looking fresh during your trip. Enter a collapsible wig stand. These wig stands are lightweight and travel friendly, perfect for giving your wig a place to rest at night. They assemble easily and they're nice and flat when disassembled. Now let's talk about products to care for your wigs while on your trip. Envy has a wig care kit that is perfect for this. You have amazing care products that are 2 ounces. First, we have the Wash and Wear shampoo, the Tangle Tamer leave-in conditioner, the Shine On lusterizer, and your freeze frame hairspray. All 4 products conveniently contained in this cute little pouch. Other things to bring for your styles while on your trip are accessories such as scarves, clips, and keep them contained in their own little travel pouch so they don't get misplaced. Okay, now let's talk about airport security and wigs. You're standing in TSA thinking, will they pat my head? Sometimes if you're wearing a topper, you have those metal clips. Are you going to set off that detector? Here's what you need to know. The good news is wigs usually don't trigger any alarms. Security scanners are looking for metal, but they also know that many people wear alternative hair. If you're flagged, it's rare, but it can happen. They'll do a quick pat down. It's very professional and it's no big deal. It's very quick. One tip is you can bring a backup wig in your carry-on. It can bring you peace of mind and it's always good to have some options. Just remember, wearing a wig is common. Own it with confidence. Next up, let's talk about wig styles for travel. When choosing your travel wig, think about destination and itinerary. If you're going to a humid climate, having a synthetic wig is really nice. Synthetic wigs like this EnvyWigs Charlotte won't fall flat or frizz in humidity. Something cute, lightweight, and zero fuss. For travel days, think something short, a pixie, a bob, a short bob like Carly, or a long bob like this Charlotte, something low maintenance, light, comfortable, off the neck. That's what you need to go for. Something with style, comfort, and that breathable cap construction. Not only do you feel good, but you look great for those selfies and all that sightseeing. Say you're going on a very active adventure, like hiking or chasing kiddos around Disneyland. Maybe opt for something like Envy's Carrie or Marsha. These are comfy, secure, and ready to move with you. Do you have a fancy dinner or a wedding to go to on the itinerary? Think about maybe the Belinda wig by Envy. This is nice and light, but gives you the length and that glamorous feel. You can also go for something more Hollywood like Brianna, and she is great to pull up off the neck in a beautiful updo. You get those soft curls and stunning volume in that ready to wear synthetic fiber. It's going to hold its shape and beauty all through the evening. Have you tried something like Brittany by EnvyWigs or even Coco? These are great styles for day to night, all day wear. Beach day or dinner night, these are your MVPs. The nice thing about wearing alternative hair while you're on vacation is it's ready to go and it's low maintenance. But a little nightly care is going to keep your style looking fab all trip long. Like I already mentioned, pop up that collapsible wig stand and let your style breathe throughout the night. Use a wide tooth comb and a spritz of detangler, especially around the nape where you get friction frizz. bring a few clips, a scarf, or a headband for easy styling. Prior to the trip, when packing, have a wig travel pack list. Number 1, your favorite wigs. Number 2, a travel case or a silk bag. Number 3, a collapsible wig stand. 4, a wide tooth comb, detangler spray, and travel wig care products. Accessories like a headband, clips, or scarves. And lastly, a bonus wig, maybe in your carry-on. This is optional, but highly recommended. Traveling with wigs doesn't have to be stressful. Just pack smart, prep a little, and you'll be ready to rock any destination in style. Tell me in the comments, where are you headed next and what are you gonna pack in your suitcase? If this video was encouraging and helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and our social media platforms. I wanna thank you guys for watching, and safe travels and fabulous hair days ahead. Bye!